Okay. So let's see an example to test the strategies we were talking about. Plug in your own word and find the answer choice that matches. Plug each answer choice into the sentence, or play positive, negative, then plug in. And most importantly, these are vocabulary in context questions. So maybe you need to establish a slightly larger context. And by slightly larger context, I mean you read a sentence, you read from the sentence above to the sentence below. Because one of those sentences will likely contain a synonym, a word with a similar meaning for the word in question, and thus for one of the answer choices. So let's see an example here. As used in line 21, are you following?
I can't see anything.
Okay.
I can't see the anything. I don't see the full.
You cannot see the question?
No.
Okay. Can you see the question now? Perfect. So as used in line 21, modest more clearly means, if you go to line 21, this is line 21, and we want to know the meaning of the word modest here. So I'm going to highlight the sentence itself. The tactics and aims of traffic management are modest but powerful. So if you actually read the sentence that follows, most intersections rely on a combination of preset timing and computer adaptation. So basically, what do you think the word modest here means? So when you think about it, this is like they are powerful, but they are kind of straightforward. They are not complicated, I can tell. All right.
Yeah.
So which one of the choices can you actually eliminate? What about inexpensive? Can we eliminate this one?
Yeah.
We can actually eliminate inexpensive, right? Timid.
Yeah.
What does timid mean?
I don't know.
Yes, and remember, vocabulary in context will require you, to kind of memorize vocabulary. But again, understanding the shades of meaning. So when you revise new vocabulary words, you need to have a strategy. So timid means shy. You can put the word in context, like unlike his sister who is outgoing, he's timid. Right. Now, simple here gives us the word we're looking for, which is not complicated. So I'm going to keep it. But again, proper here means suitable, right one, but again, it's positive. And if we play positive and negative, see, if you look at the original sentence, are modest but powerful. The word but here gives me a little bit of a contrast here. So I know powerful, if I put proper but powerful, both are positive. But here means powerful is positive, the other one should be negative, right?
Yeah.
And so you can decide that A and D, the two words proper, inexpensive, are off topic. The but indicates that modest is used in opposition to powerful. And the most direct opposite of powerful is weak, but it's not an option. So maybe simple here makes sense in context, right?
Yes.
Because the next sentence says that it relies on a combination of just two things: preset timing and computer adaptations, right?
Yeah.
Now let's see another example here. As used in line 8, voiced most nearly means. So we're looking for the meaning of the word voiced, and it's line 8. So I'm going to read the whole sentence. I would in no ways lessen the importance of these expressions by your various representatives, but I want to say that the words that specially voiced what I may call the upgush of my soul were to be found in the papers read by Mrs. Swan on the newspaper as a factor of civilization. What do you think voice most nearly means?
The great.
What?
Conveyed.
Conveyed is the best one because recorded would be off topic. And it's like he's saying, I have never been a pen artist and I have never succeeded with rhetorical flourishes unless it were by accident. So he wanted to convey these words. It's kind of voiced what I may call the upgush of my soul. Kind of represented something. Because prose would be long, strained would be the opposite, limited something. Recorded is like somebody's recording something, which could be the primary meaning of the word voiced, but 80% of vocabulary and context questions will ask you for secondary meanings to the word. Let's go to the next question. As used in line 31, concerned most nearly means. So I started a paper and ran it for 2 years at a vast cost. I started a paper and ran it for 2 years at a vast cost to everyone concerned in it. So concerned in it, most likely when you describe a feeling of human, if you are concerned, you can be worried, you can be bothered. But here we are talking about the idea of being committed to something or doing something. Altered is also off topic. So what do you think concerned mean? What does the word concern mean? The only one left here after eliminating these questions, after eliminating the answer choices, is the word involved, right?
Yes.
Okay.